As Russia prepares to roll out its next-generation T-14 Armada, NATO countries are stepping up the pace of their existing tank modernization programs. Here are 5 of the most advanced tanks that are fielded or will be fielded in the near future by NATO. 1. M1A2C. The M1A2C in its latest 2019 configuration is without a doubt the most advanced tank in the NATO inventory. It's the only NATO tank with a fielded active protection system and a smart programmable armor-piercing round. It also features upgrades to the internal armor arrays in the hull and turret, as well as upgraded third-generation thermal imaging systems. The main armament of M1A2C-PV3 includes one 120mm smoothbore M256 cannon. The tank will be fitted with a low-profile, LP-CRO, common remotely operated weapon system. This effort improves the tank commander's situational awareness without compromising capability. LP-CROs significantly lowers the profile of the weapon station, returning both open and closed hatch fields of view, FOV. Also, LP-CROs will be equipped with an upgraded day camera that uses picture-in-picture technology to combine different FOVs, and it offers a 340% larger scene in the wide FOV. The second armament includes a coaxial 7.62mm M240 machine gun mounted to the right of the main gun, and a similar weapon skate mounted on the left side of the turret for the loader can be elevated from 30 to plus 65 degrees, total traverse being 265 degrees. The loader hatch weapon system is now protected by armor plates on 360 degrees. On both sides of the turret, the tank is fitted with 6-barreled smoke grenade dischargers, model L81, designation M250. A smoke screen can also be laid by an engine-operated system. The M1A2C-PV3 will be able to fire the M829E4, soon to be type classified as the M829A4, 5th-generation kinetic energy anti-tank, at round. This new round provides heavy armor defeat capability at extended ranges. It uses a depleted uranium penetrator and anti-armor design advancements to defeat threat targets equipped with the ERA, Advanced Explosive Reactive Armor, and PS, Active Protection Systems. The Advanced Multipurpose, AMP, round is a line-of-sight munition with 3 modes of operation: point detonate, delay, and airburst. This essential capability required in urban environments allows the tank crew to defeat at guided missile teams at ranges of 50 to 2,000 meters with a precision lethal airburst. The point detonate and delay modes allow for obstacle reduction, OR, bunker defeat, and a wall breach capability for dismounted infantry. The AMP round also reduces the logistics burden by replacing 4 existing rounds: M830 high explosive, HE-AT, M803A1 multipurpose HE-AT, M1028 canister, and M908 HEOR. The tank will be also fitted with the Ammunition Data Link, a DL, to provide communications with the platform's fire control system. The DL consists of a modified breech block, upgraded improved fire control electronics unit, and upgraded Abrams tank software. 2. Leopard 2A7V. The latest German upgrade to the Leopard 2, the Leopard 2A7V features sensor, armament, and armor upgrades along the same lines as the M1A2C. The German Army Technical Center has conducted the first trial tests of the new Leopard 2A7V main battle tank, MBT. The design of the Leopard 2A7V is similar to the Leopard 2A7, keeping a crew of 4, including a driver located at the front right of the hull. The commander and gunner are on the right of the turret, and the loader is on the left. The new Leopard 2A7V main battle tank, MBT, has a total weight of around 60 tons and is powered by an MTU-MB 873 Ka501 turbocharged diesel engine developing 1,500 horsepower. It can run at a maximum road speed of 68 km per hour, with a maximum cruising range of 550 km. The main armament of the Leopard 2A7V consists of a Rheinmetall 120mm L or 55 smoothbore tank gun able to fire the latest Rheinmetall 120mm DM53 armor-piercing fin stabilized discarding sabot, tracer, a PFSDST, ammunition, using a non-depleted uranium penetrator, which gives the Leopard 2A6 an additional combat range of 1,600 meters and much better armor penetration characteristics. The fire control systems of the Leopard 2A7V has been modified to program the DM-11 high-explosive round. The time delay fuse of the DM-11 can be programmed after the loading to detonate at a specific point in the projectile's flight path. The secondary armament includes a 7.62mm Rheinmetall MG3 machine gun mounted coaxially to the left of the gun. Another 7.62mm machine gun can be mounted on the loader's hatch. 3. Leclerc XLR. France's advanced Leclerc tank is also receiving an upgrade in the near future with the XLR variant. The primary feature of the upgrade is the integration with the Scorpion battlefield network that's expected to equip all future French vehicles. Armor is also increased, but no active protection systems have been spotted. The renovated MBT Leclerc Scorpion or XLR will keep the same armament as the standard Leclerc tank, which consists of a giant 120mm 52 caliber smoothbore gun designated the CN120-26. The gun is fitted with a thermal sleeve and a compressed air system for blowing out propellant fumes. The turret is equipped with an automatic loading system that contains 22 rounds of ready-use ammunition, normally loaded from outside through a small hatch in the back of the turret bustle. The new Leclerc will be able to fire two main types of 120mm ammunition: the PFSDS, armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot, with a muzzle velocity of 1,790 meters per second in heat, or high-explosive anti-tank, with a muzzle velocity of 1,100 meters per second, both having a semi-combustible cartridge case containing a dual-base solid propellant. Nexter has also developed a new type of 120mm high-explosive HE rounds designated EM3M that can be set for impact, delay, and airburst function. A 12.7mm machine gun is mounted coaxially with the main armament. The Leclerc Scorpion is also fitted with a remotely operated weapon station mounted on the top of the turret, which is armed with a 7.62mm machine gun. (4) STRV-122C. Sweden is also upgrading its fleet of Leopards in the C variant of the STRV-122, a version of the Leopard 2A5. The primary upgrades appear to be sensor-related, with the changing of the earlier thermals to third-generation devices. STRV-122s have better armor than most NATO Leopard 2s, as they are fitted with the full Mexus H armor package, which was reduced on German Leopard 2A5s. This gives them better protection against cluster artillery munitions. However, the 122C's armament is not receiving a big upgrade and retains the unupgraded L/44 gun, limiting its armor-piercing potential. (5) Leopard 2A6 HEL. Greece's Leopard 2A6 features additional armor versus regular Leopard 2A6's, being an adapted version of the Leopard 2A6EX prototype. The additional armor comes from additional reinforcements on the upper glacis plate and crew hatches, as well as a full Mexus package. While the 2A6 HEL only features a standard L/55 gun, it remains one of the more deadly tanks within NATO. A new smoothbore gun, the 120mm L55 gun, was developed by Rheinmetall Waff Munition of Rettingen, Germany, to replace the shorter 120mm L44 smoothbore tank gun on the Leopard 2. The extension of the barrel length from caliber length 44 to caliber length 55 results in a greater portion of the available energy in the barrel being converted into projectile velocity, increasing the range and armor penetration. The L55 smoothbore gun, equipped with a thermal sleeve, a fume extractor, and a muzzle reference system, is compatible with current 120mm ammunition and new high-penetration ammunition. As a result of tactical requirements, Rheinmetall Waff Munition developed the improved kinetic energy ammunition known as LKE2BM53. With the DM53 round, the L55 gun can fire to a range of 5,000 meters. The effect of the kinetic energy projectile on an enemy target is achieved by the penetrator length and projectile mass and the impact velocity. and the interaction between the projectile and the target. The penetrator material is heavy tungsten powder in a monoblock structure. The improved kinetic energy ammunition has higher muzzle energy and recoil forces. Especially when using the new DM53 KD round, the L55 enables a 30% increase in performance compared with conventional systems. For example, a muzzle velocity can be achieved in excess of 1,750 meters per second. Leopard 2 is equipped with a land navigation system from the company Leitif of Bonn, Germany, which is a subsidiary of Northrop Grumman, formerly Litton, of the USA. The hybrid navigation system consists of a global positioning system, GPS, and an inertial navigation system.